This is Allapalli Akhil from the Institution of Aeronautical Engineering. Today I am going to explain about my concept video, that is topic. I am, and my topic is composition of non-concurrents, which is related to the engineering mechanics. And my roll number is 209512105, and I am related to the aeronautical engineering branch. In first, we have to discuss the topic composition of non-concurrent force. We have that coplanar non-concurrent forces. Coplanar non-concurrent force systems. Coplanar non-concurrent force systems. This is the force systems in which line of an actions of indivisible forces lies in the same plane, but acted at a different positions applied. You can see that above graphical representation that F1, F2 and F3 forces. Whereas in second we have F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, which are different in their positions. And we have moment of the forces. Moment of a force. The moment of a force is equals to the product of the force and the perpendicular distance of a line of an action of force from the point above the moment is required, where m equals to p of x into x, where m is the moment, p equals to force, and x is the perpendicular distance from the line of action. Units of the momentum is Newton meter or kilonewton meter. Examples of a momentum are to tight the nuts by the spinner, to open the close the door, sign the moment. Generally, clockwise moments is taken as positive, anti-clockwise moments are taken as negative. Types of the momentum. There are clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. It rotates the clockwise directions equals to p into x. It rotates the body in the clockwise directions. Anti-clockwise directions, which is negative direction. It rotates the body anti-clockwise directions. Units of these are Newton meter or kilonewton meter. Couple. To equivalent the opposite forces whose lines of an actions are different from a couple, resulting or a net force of a couple is zero. Hence, couple acting on a body do not create any translatory motions of a body. Couple produces only rotational motion of the body. Types of the couples. There are two types of the couples: clockwise couple, anti-clockwise couples. Clockwise couples. It rotates the body in clockwise directions. It is positive. Anti-clockwise direction. It rotates the body in anti-clockwise directions. It is negative. Arm of the couple. The perpendicular distance between the line of action of two forces forming the couple is known as arm of couple. Moment of forces. Moment of couple. Force into arm of couple. M equals to P into A. Unit of a couple. Units of a couples are Newton meters or kilonewton meters. Examples of a couples are forces applied to the key of a lock while locking or unlocking it. Forces applied on the stationary while the wheel of a car by handling two strays and the car towards left or right. To open or close wheels, valves of a water supply the pipeline. Characteristics of a couple. The algebraic sum of the forces forming of the couple is zero. The algebraic sum of the moment of the forces forming the couple about any action is the same and the equal moment of a couple. The moment of the couple equals to m equals to p into a. Now taking m of equals to, according to the equation, we can write that p into a plus x minus p into x, and final results we get p into a. And third one is, a couple cannot be balanced by a single force but can be balanced by only a couple of opposite nature. If number of coplanar couples are acting on the body, they to be reduced into a single couple whose magnitude will be equal and algebraic sum of the moments of the couples. Difference between the momentum of couple. Moment means force into perpendicular distance. It produces a single force by passing through the center of the gravity of the body. The force moving the body is directly of the force and rotate the body. To balance the force causing the movement, equal and opposite forces is required. two equal and opposite forces whose lines of an action are different form of a couple. It produces two equal and opposite parallel and non-collinear forces. Resultant forces of a couple is zero. Hence, the body does not move but rotate only. Couple cannot be balanced by a single force. It can be balanced by a couple only. Thank you for giving this opportunity.